What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about ranking a video that makes money for business. All right, welcome back. Please read the disclaimer. So today I want to start a series here. This is actually going to be a 6-part series because it is going to take a little while to put this all together and make it happen, and it's going to be too long for one video. I like to break it up in anywhere from 5 to 10 minute increments so people can kind of digest the information. I did have a little preface on this video that I'm going to make. I'm going to actually do a series of videos over the next couple months, but this is the exact process that I'm going to use. And you're going to see over time these videos probably get some nice rankings and drive me some business. So basically what I had was a guy that was an affiliate. He's a YouTuber. His name was actually Jacob Orth. Let's go over to YouTube here and we'll look up him. He was a pretty big YouTuber and in Vegas here. He's got this channel called Jacob's Life in Vegas. And here's Jacob Orth. And his YouTube was, he's got a pretty good following now. He's got it up to like 20,000, and this is actually not his big channel, but let's see if he's got Jacob's Life in Vegas. This is one here. This is his big one. Okay, he's got it up to like 20,000 followers now. Last I checked, 21,000 almost. Okay, and Jacob was a nice guy. We've kind of been business partners for about 4 years now, almost maybe 5 years even. And he used to have some videos that were ranking related to nightclubs and bottle service in Las Vegas. And so what he would do is basically he set up like a little funnel through like, Google or one of the Google Sheets or something like that. And basically he had videos that were ranking like #1 for like terms related to bottle service, booking bottle service, VIP hosting, that kind of stuff. And he used to send his leads to me, and I would pay him out like half and half affiliate commission. Like I would take half and he would give half of the leads, and I would pretty much handle the customers and whatnot. Now, his leads were really good. Like most of the time when the leads came from him, probably 50% of the time, or at least in that neighborhood, 40-50% of the time, I would close those leads because those people, after watching him on video, trusted him and knew him and liked him. Okay, so they're a lot more valid leads, I guess, that I would say. They're more like a lead that came off Yelp. When someone actually like read about you and reviews about you, they're actually going to be more likely to book with you because they've already kind of like made their decision that they want to work with you based on a review or based on seeing you in a video and whatnot. So what happened was Jason's life in Vegas here started blowing up, and he's doing really well, and he just doesn't want to deal with the nightclub and the bottle service and the messages he's been getting from that. I don't know, personally I take care of most of the business, and it wasn't like he was putting in that much work. I think he had it all set up pretty nice where he basically was kind of like passively making money, but apparently he just wants his channel to be completely like geared toward just life in Vegas, not anything to do with the nightclubs. I guess he's working on like a Patreon, and he's working with some restaurants and whatnot, and I think he just kind of wants to get out of the nightlife side of image that was in there for a while. So he took down those videos, and they were ranking really well. In fact, I'm going to show you a couple of things here. His videos are ranking #1 for a number of like well-searched terms, and now I've kind of lost those leads. So in turn, what I'm trying to do right now is I'm going to start making some videos, and I'm going to try to rank those videos with good information and put them in situations where, or in the rankings where people actually will go into my funnel, and then instead of giving Jacob half the money, I don't have to give him half the money more. I'll keep the money myself. So it'll be full price leads. So I'm going to do some keyword research in this case study. I'm going to show you guys what I'm thinking. I'm going to show you guys some samples of some videos, and then I'm going to go ahead and produce my own videos, and then we're going to try to rank them, and then I'm going to build a funnel to put the people into my funnel, into my system, and we're going to over time we're going to do kind of a case study here, and after we do one, if it works, which it will, and we'll do another one and after some other keywords, and then eventually we'll get 4 or 5 or 6 of these videos ranking out there, and then hopefully going into 2019 we've built a nice little system of leads that come in that are good quality leads, and that's the important thing here. They're good quality leads because these people are going to see my face, they're going to like me, they're going to know me, they're going to trust me, and send me their business hopefully. So all right, so that's kind of the preface of what we're doing here in this series of videos. It's going to be really good information. You can take this information that I'm going to show you guys, and you can apply it to any business. Okay, you could potentially do like painters or anything that you can think of, fitness, whatever. You can make these kind of videos, and you can drive leads to whatever you're selling, affiliate offers and whatnot. But this is how we do it. So basically, we want to start here with Google. And we want to kind of get an idea of certain terms that people are searching for. Now, I do a lot of sales for my business, so I kind of understand the business, and we do get some people that just have never booked bottle service in Vegas in their life, and they just don't understand anything about it. And YouTube is a place for people to go, and Google for that matter, to search how to do things. Okay, that's what YouTube is pretty much there for, was to learn how to do things with video and whatnot. So I have a software plugged in here called it's just a Chrome extension. It's called Keywords Anywhere. Okay, and just go into the extensions here, and you can see this one here. It's Keywords Everywhere. All right, this one here. So just search Keywords Everywhere, get the Chrome extension, and then flip it on. Okay, once that's on, then you'll see here I have when I searched this term here, it was how to book bottle service in Vegas, and then related keywords came up. This is that extension. Okay, so this is a real helpful tool to save some time, and I can kind of scan through these and see what people are actually searching for, and it gives me some data like the volume and what the price is and whatnot. I gotta kind of keep this open here, and it kind of gives me some ideas of what people are looking for, how to get free bottle service in Vegas. That's not one I really want to go after, because people are like, obviously if they're looking for free stuff, they're probably not going to be paying customers. Here's a decent one: Las Vegas bottle service secrets. Okay, that'd be a good keyword there to do a video about. Marquee Las Vegas bottle service. That's another potentially good keyword to go after. It's got a CPC of 211. Let's see what else comes up here. How to get free bottle service. I don't really care for that one, but it might be good to do a video for that, just a quick video, and just letting people know that the bottle service isn't free in Vegas, and maybe it'll rank, and maybe you'll get a lead from that. People are like very appreciative when they go into a video and they have an itch to scratch. I like to use that analogy. When they have an itch, they want to know something, and then you solve their itch. You itch or scratch. You solve their problem. If you solve their problem, they automatically like you. They automatically think this guy's someone I want to work with. So, the thing is, I know these leads are good because I was getting Jacob's leads for almost 4 years, okay? 4 years. I've got a lot of good customers from his leads over that time, and then his customers sometimes would give me referrals, and I've built a nice business. Not my only source of leads, but it's definitely a good source of leads. And when he decided to kind of get out of that whole thing, I was like disappointed, but then I'm thinking, well, why don't I just go ahead and just make my own videos? I know how to edit, and I'm not great, but I'm good enough, and I know how to speak in front of the camera, and I know the business like the back of my hand. I've been doing it for 12 years of my life. So basically, then I take another look over here at Google and just kind of see if there's anything that sparks my interest. Looks like they just got some blogs, and then there's some other ones here. Some different organic rankings for bottle service and whatnot. And here Google gives me some suggested keywords, so that's a good one. It looks like this Las Vegas bottle service secrets. I can definitely consider doing a video on that. And how to get free bottle service. So it looks like this Keywords Everywhere is kind of pulling a lot of the same data that Google's given us. It's probably related, or it's a similar API. And maybe go to the next page here. Mostly just, here's my company, Surreal Nightlife and Bottle Service. I'm on the second page, kind of bottom, but I am at least, ranking decently for, it's not great because I'm not on the first page, so not much traffic there, but I am going to be moving up. So one of the things I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to, kind of embed my video on some of my websites after I do the videos, and that should help with the rankings as well. So, all right, so once we kind of get an idea of what we're looking for here, I just typed in how to book bottle service in Las Vegas. So that's kind of my starting point. If someone's Googling how to book bottle service in Las Vegas, they're probably curious on how to book bottle service in Las Vegas. That's a very buyer intent keyword. If you make a video about how to book bottle service in Las Vegas, and it's informational and good and the quality's there, and the people watch it, there's a pretty good chance they might go to your link and fill out, a form, and then we can contact them and go through the sales process and put them in the automation and whatnot. So the next step obviously is go to YouTube here, and ironically I just searched the same thing, how to book bottle service in Vegas, and we search that. Okay, I know this dude here. This guy's only got 34 subscribers. He's got 203 views on this video. That should be easy to rank for. Now this guy here, 20 subscribers, not very big channel, 4.3K views. Now I watched this video here, and it's a well done video. They got a pretty girl in there, which is, for guys like a bachelor party, that's very. It's an attractive character for somebody that's looking for like a bachelor party. Now for a bachelorette party, it may be not an attractive character. So, but you can tell the girl's kind of reading off a script a little bit because she's like dead on with her words. She's probably reading off a teleprompter or something, but the video's well done and there's a lot of good footage in there. That is a video that I'm going to model. Now, the fact that he's only got 20 subscribers, he's got a lot of views and it's 2 years old. I should be able to put something in here with this exact keywords, how to book bottle service in Las Vegas, put it on my bigger YouTube, which has almost like 800 subscribers, whatever, and potentially get it ranked right away. I do have another YouTube for one of my other companies that has like 700 subscribers, and another one that has over 800, and we'll see. I'm going to do some experiments over the course of this case study. It's going to take me maybe a month or two to make some of these videos and get them up and get them ranked and do some more keyword research and whatnot. But let's take a look here. Las Vegas bottle service math comes up number 3rd. That's a 3-year-old video, only 12 subscribers here. Easily could do a video on that. That's simple. I could do a nice video on that with some PowerPoint and whatnot. And then this one here is Las Vegas bottle service, learn the ins and outs of VIP hosting. Notice that this is my video. It's 2 years old and I got 8.4K views. Okay, so this video is okay. It's decent, but I can do a better job now. I'm more comfortable doing videos and editing. And this video is decent, but it's not great. As you can see, these guys are ranking above me with a better video, and I know I can put something out that's a little bit better. And then this is me too, Bachelor Vegas. That's one of my companies, and I'm number 5 here with that one, and that one's got 846 views, and that's 73 months old. So I'm in position 4 and 5 here. I want to be in position 1. So that's going to be the goal here, guys, is to get to position 1 for this term. And there's another good term of Vegas, VIP hosting in Vegas. Let's try Vegas VIP hosting. So we know these are the terms kind of for this business. Just like any business, you have some main terms. Now look here, I'm how to crush it as a VIP host in Vegas 11 months ago. I'll maybe watch this video, see what this guy's doing, but I'm number 2 here, and that excess VIP is number 3. So I'm in a good position there, but I'd still like to be in that number 1 position. The number 1 position is better. Let's see if there's a how to find a VIP host. Vegas. All right, so let's take a look at here. This guy's still number 1 or number 2. Las Vegas casino hosts. Not really sure. That's not. I guess it's a different kind of related. Here we got nothing too exciting there. And here's me. I'm number 4. Las Vegas bottle service host. So I'm doing pretty well at sitting in. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm in the 4th position on this one. So. The fact that I'm already like ranking in the top, 4 and 5, it's good, but most of the traffic, I don't know what the stats are, but I know like it's pretty high, like 60-80% of the traffic goes to the number 1 spot, maybe 30% goes to number 2, and then it's a lot lower from the 3rd on down. So I'm not really into the money traffic right now in the 4th position. Here's another position that I'm in as well, but that's 4, 5, 6, 7 down. Okay, so I do have presence on this these terms, which are good terms. Let's see how to book a bachelor party. Here's another one for a bachelor Bachelor party. Las Vegas. Bachelor party. 18K views. Let's put it there. And I'm Las Vegas bachelor party. This is number 2. I'm number 2 here in this one. So the fact that I'm, you know, ranking number 2 already for bachelor parties. And here's Jacob. So he's still hanging around here with his life in Vegas. But he used to rank number 1 for a lot of those terms I just showed you, and he took those videos down. So my goal with this case study is to make some quality videos and get up to that number 1 spot in all those categories. Because if you're number 1 and somebody watches you and they get into your funnel, there's probably a 40-50% chance they're going to book with you. And our average customer value is around $300 to $350. So if I can get one customer off the work I do, you know, in this case study, that's probably potentially $350 in my pocket, and then that could lead to a repeat booking and then a referral as well. So the LTV, the long-term value of that customer, potentially is a lot greater than that. It could be somewhere in the neighborhood of $1,000 or $1,500 based on referrals and you know, repeat customers and whatnot. So what I'm seeing here is not a lot of competition. Okay. You know, I got some kind of older videos that are very average in my opinion up there, and they're hanging around in the top, you know, the top positions and whatnot. But you know, the 4 and 5 positions, I got here's one in the 2nd position. But I know that if I put some real work into this and really craft these videos and do a nice job editing them and really go after the keywords, that we can probably over the next like 2 to 4 months get these videos to number 1 and just crush YouTube as far as the you know, the overall traffic goes. It'll be coming to me instead of anybody else. So if you guys like what you saw today, I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video, and go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know if you have any terms that you think might be related to bachelor parties, bachelorette parties, VIP hosting, bottle service. If you can think of anything else that I'm not thinking of, but those are the main ones that, you know, we go after on Google. So they're probably the same type of thing on YouTube, kind of like the how-to stuff is very popular. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I would appreciate a comment from any new subscribers, and I'll go ahead and welcome you to the channel. And if you are here and not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and bang the notifications bell. We're going to be back with part 2 coming up soon after I figure out exactly what keyword I'm going to go after, and we'll actually start making a video and whatnot. I am the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you guys later.